Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Chantel if you're new here, and I have a digital planner shop called Paper and Roses. And today I'm gonna show you a little plan with me in my May spread. I'm using the Groovy Neutrals planner and our brand new spring sticker set. This is a really large sticker set. I couldn't stop making them. And of course I'm calling it Mayflowers because I think it is fitting. And of course it's just in time for May, but you can use this all year round. I never include anything that's specific to the month, so you are welcome to use it all year round. I know I will be. So let's go ahead and get into it. So the first thing I do when I'm planning my month is hop on over to the monthly dashboard. Every month in the Dream Life and Groovy Neutrals planners in the shop have these dashboards, and they're how I get really clear on what I want to focus on for the coming month. The first thing I do here is jot down an affirmation that currently resonates with me, and it really helps me to get in the right mindset to think about what I want out of the next few weeks. Then I move into my brain dump and priority chart section. I go ahead and write out all the tasks and focuses on my mind, and then I place them into a must do, if you can, and this can wait category. This ends up making it a lot easier for me to decide what projects I'm actually going to accomplish in the coming month. The problem I had before I started using this method is I'd make my to-do list way too overwhelming and I wouldn't actually get anything done. Although I still like making those long to-do lists, using a priorities template side by side, I'm able to remind myself to focus on the most important tasks while I'm planning, and this has helped me allocate an adequate amount of time to the things that are most important to me so I actually get those important things done. Next up, I'm going to start jotting down the important dates and birthdays and occasions I have in the coming month. And here I'm starting to use some of those Mayflower stickers. My favorite way to add stickers is using the split screen. This way I can see my stickers as a sticker sheet. I really enjoy this for themed kits because I can already see how everything looks together as I go. Just make sure your image tool is selected over on your sticker sheet side, and then you can simply click on your sticker, make sure you see a border appear around it, and then you'll be able to hold and drag it over to your spread. Now I'm gonna move on over to my focus for the month. I've already got through the bulk of the brainstorming with my to-do list and priority chart, so I'm able to just go ahead and jot down those big picture items I wanna focus on here. And now I'm gonna go in and build out the 3 goals I wanna focus on for the month. These are generally larger goals that will require consistent effort over the course of the month. So I go ahead and jot down the goal, and then I use the space below to begin mapping out how I'm gonna get there. I tend to use a bunch of stickers here to help me kind of section it all out. And then I finish up with setting regular habits to focus on getting that larger goal done. And now that I'm done with my dashboard, I move on over to my May spread. And at this point, I have a real grasp on what I should be planning for the month, which makes planning out my month so much more realistic for my life. I first go ahead and fill in my sidebar with my top focus that I want to see and what I have going on for the month, and then I categorize my tasks. This varies every month based on what I'm working on. And now I'm going to use some of these label and icon stickers to mark in the days bills are due. I love that these don't take up too much space on each day. Once I size one to the box, I just lasso, copy, and paste the size sticker so I can paste the rest of them the same size without having to do it over and over again. And now I'm just going to drag in some larger boxes. These are for days that are occasions or all-day events. And I love to use these little icons to denote the event or occasion or whatever it is. I have a ton of them, so you'll see me drag and drop some of those as well. And now I'm going to pull in some of my decorative full boxes. I honestly wish I could use all of them in this spread. I'm pretty sure I will throughout the month. I designed these typography style full box stickers like actual prints, so I'm pretty proud of them in these sets. I'm using the Sunny Days Ahead sticker and then some of the floral background stickers in my extra date boxes. And now I'm pulling in one of my monthly tracker stickers. I'm obsessed with the tiny flowers on this one, and I like to use these to track days I work out, but you can use it with any habit you're trying to build. In this set, I also included these long skinny stickers. I'm using them like washi tape to block out some time. You can also use them as borders or decorative. And then I used a sticker to label it in my case, and I love how it turned out. Might need to make more of these. And we're lasso copy pasting the whole thing onto another week. This is definitely my favorite part of digital planning. Now I'm just adding this really cute decorative sticker up top, and then I'm gonna start scheduling out some of my projects. Here I am putting down some of my posting days. Again, I'm just adding a couple more decorative stickers, and I decided I need another one of those focus weeks, so I just went ahead and copy and pasted that as well. To layer stickers in GoodNotes, the only thing you have to keep in mind is that your most recently added or pasted sticker will be the top layer. So if you want to change the layer, just cut and paste the sticker that was there before and it will be on top. And I'm using some of the blank labels and those icon stickers again to note some of the tasks I'm scheduling this month. This is a great way to get really customized in your planning. You can get really creative with how you want to use them. Here, I'm using an icon in every single day to track a daily task I'm trying to accomplish. And of course, you can lasso and paste these as well. that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe. It helps out this small business and channel more than you know, and I'll see you next time. Bye.